Today we're going to move into looping structures, and looping structures allow us to execute a certain block of code multiple times without having the code repeat. So if I wanted to print this 3 times, I don't have to have 3 print statements that are identical. I could loop this 3 times. And the structure is similar in some ways to the if statement. We have the while keyword, a condition, and a colon. While this condition is true, it will print this line. Now, if I run this code exactly as it's written in my PyCharm editor, it will print it's still true until I turn off my computer or stop it running, because true is always going to be true. So typically when we do this in our code, we want to think about what you might call an exit strategy. We want to know, how is that loop going to stop? Because nobody wants a program that goes on forever and ever. So there's always a way to end that loop. So typically